Hey guys, welcome back. With everything just kind of imploding around us, my channel is not out here to save lives. It's not. It is lighthearted and fun, and so I hope that this is kind of an outlet for you over the next couple weeks and months. Ugh, I hope not. I'm just trying to keep it light around here. Now, I've been shocked by the amount of people who have reached out over the last couple days requesting a video on how to look good and feel put together, even if we are stuck at home. This is not just applicable to those being quarantined over the next couple weeks, which is such a weird thing to say. That's weird that that's our reality right now. But it's also applicable to those stay-at-home moms or people who are in the home more often than in the office. I'm gonna share with you a couple things that just make me happier being around the house, as well as a couple ways to make you look better and feel better. I will also be sharing with you outfit options and ideas that you can work into your existing closet that are just easy and carefree and not trying too hard, which is perfect for when we are at home. The first thing that I do when I wake up is make my bed. Here is my bed. If you come over to my house, I guarantee that my bed will be made. Even if everything around my house is a disaster and a tornado has whipped through it, my bed is kind of my haven, and it's the center of my room, and if it's also messy, then gosh, I just feel like crap. I don't even fold my sheets underneath. Like, they're not perfect. I throw up my comforter and then arrange my pillows nicely and like, boom, ah, there we go. It already feels put together. The next thing that I suggest is to get up and get moving early. And by moving, I mean exercise. I know that a lot of gyms are closed, and if they're not closed, then maybe you're like me where you've just kind of frozen your membership. Ugh, you guys, I work at Orange Theory and it is sweaty and it's yucky, and just thinking about it makes me a little sick. But like, I need to keep moving. I have this friend who is so fit, but I know that her life is insane. And I've asked her how she keeps up with her fitness and kind of fits it into her schedule. She gave me this advice years ago, and it is something that I just live by. Even if I can't make it to the gym, I do this. No matter what she does, she will always do 30 sit-ups, 30 push-ups, and 30 squats for the day. What is that? 6 minutes of working out? But it's 6 minutes more than you would have done if you didn't do anything. The next tip that I have for you is something that I've actually really been working on for 2020. I am like not a big believer in goals because I don't keep goals. That's not my personality type. My husband, on the other hand, is like,
well, I told myself I was gonna do something, so obviously I'm gonna do it.
Nope, that is not me. But this goal has been awesome. It's just changed how I feel about the day. It's a very simple goal, and it's simply just getting ready for the day. Now, being stuck at home, we don't need to get dolled up. I think that this is a great time to go simple and neutral and really natural in our makeup and our hair and our dress, but we still just wanna like look good and put together. I don't think any of us feel good when we roll out of bed and roll back into bed looking the exact same. In this time where we are kind of at home, I like to think of it as dress for Target, where we are out and about, but it's still Target, so I'm not gonna be dressed to the nines, but there is a chance that I might see someone and I don't wanna be mortified because I look like a slob. Dress for Target, that's my tip for you. I'm gonna go a little bit more into makeup and hair, and I will even show a couple outfits that I suggest wearing, things that are just gonna be kind of my staples over the next couple weeks, and ways to maybe mix and match those, depending on what's in your wardrobe. When it comes to hair, the biggest suggestion that I can say is just to keep it simple. Now is a really good time to give our hair a rest from the extensions and from the heat, and just look who's talking. But I'm talking to you, so this is not my everyday over the next couple weeks by any means. One thing that makes me feel so put together without trying hard at all is just a nice polished low bun. It's so easy. I throw on bigger chunky earrings because it just brings a little bit more to the look. But in the end, I'm wearing my hair in a bun. Doesn't get easier than that. The next thing that I'm gonna be doing a ton over the next few weeks is lots and lots of hair masks. Because I color treat my hair, and I have recently been blonde. I actually don't think a lot of you know that. And it destroyed my hair. It just destroyed it. And my hairstylist got me on Olaplex number 3. It is a hair treatment that you can keep in for 10 minutes, or you can also, well, you can keep it in as long as you want. My favorite thing that I like to do is put it in when my hair is wet at nighttime, pull it into a ponytail, sleep in it, work out in it the next day, and then in my shower, I rinse it out. And this stuff is incredible. It says that it repairs and strengthens hair, and I think a lot of products say that, but this one really does. It's amazing. It is this miracle treatment. I will link this all down below if you're looking for a good hair mask. It's not the cheapest, but it lasts forever. I'm actually still on my first bottle and I've had it for, I don't know, over 6 months. Now let's move on to makeup. For me, it is all about being simple. I already wear makeup a little bit more naturally. I don't love a ton, probably because I don't really know how to apply it super well other than the basics. So I stick to the basics and I feel really good about myself when I'm wearing that, and it doesn't take very long. I will share with you a couple things that I use and love. Like I said, I am not a makeup pro. This is not a makeup channel, but here's a couple things that over the years I have become obsessed with because they just work. And this is them. There's not many, I will go over them briefly. The very first thing that I do to prep my face is just use a good moisturizer. This is the Weleda, I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, Skin Food in the Light Nourishing Cream. It is like a Target brand. It is so great and it's a very clean product. The next thing is a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I don't use full coverage just because at the moment I don't need it, but I always just genetically have puffy black circles under my eyes. Like, it's not cute. So the one thing that I love is this Glossier Stretch Concealer. It's just like in this cute little tub. I love it. It is a light coverage, but it also works as a little bit of a primer because it just covers up all of my pores. So I will put it around my eyes, into the sides of my eyes, and then down along my nose, and then right here. Like, I feel like this area is just kind of like my typical area for this stuff. It's light, you can build upon it. It's wonderful. I'll link it down below. Now, like I said, I don't do an overall concealer, but I have another trick that I love, and that is highlighter. Highlighter has become my absolutely best friend. Now, this is embarrassing because I have loved this, and it's probably lasted 2 years. Ugh. Are you allowed to have products that long? I don't know, but it's still going, and I actually am running out, and I just ordered another one. This is the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat. If I tilt it at a certain angle, I can read it. It is called the Pure Luxury Lift and Firm, which is funny because in the end, it's a highlighter. I don't know. So yeah, sure, lift it as much as you want. I put this everywhere, like everywhere. I treat it like a lotion. Now, this is a really good overall highlighter. It just kind of brightens everything. If I really want to look nice and glowy, I use this puppy. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. So when I use this, I put this on top of my cheekbones, my little Cupid's bow, down my nose, and right along the top of my forehead, like right in the middle. It's basically anywhere where light would hit you first. What parts of your face just kind of protrude out a little bit further than the others, that's where you put it. But it just makes me look and feel so much less tired. The next thing is my eyebrows. I had gotten them microbladed before and absolutely loved it and swore that I would keep doing it. Guess what? I haven't. Life. So instead, I use this Hourglass eyebrow pencil. It's got this nice slanted tip and then the brush to brush it in, and I love it. It comes in a number of colors. I wear the Warm Brunette. It's my favorite. I will link this down below as well. Mascara, yes, I need it. Right now I'm currently using the L'Oreal Telescopic. I have stopped using designer mascaras because they're all the same. They just are, but this is really great. And then the last thing to finish up my look is a lip gloss. Just something to have on my lips, even if it is chapstick. It's the NYX brand. It's called their Butter Gloss. It doesn't get all stuck in your hair, which I hate glosses that do that. I have worn this one in a number of my videos. It's the Vanilla Cream Pie, which is a funny name because it's not vanilla, it's a little pink, but I really like it and it's cheap. This is it. Honestly, on a daily basis, I don't do much more than this. I may do a little bit of bronzer or cheek, but eyeshadow, nope, no thank you. Primer, nope, haven't found a good one. These are my basics and I love them. I will link all of these down below in case you are also looking for something to fill some of your holes. Let's move on to the good stuff, and that is what we are wearing while we are lounging at home. You guys, let's keep it simple. I mean, when I'm at home, I want to be comfortable. I want to have my stretchy pants on. Leggings, yup, totally okay. I'm just gonna show you a couple idea outfits that I am gonna be cycling through a whole lot over the next few weeks, so you can kind of recreate them with your wardrobe. One outfit that will be on repeat in my home is anything with relaxed denim on bottom. The only tight pants that I will be shimming my way into are leggings. That is a fact. Other than that, I want to keep it relaxed with like my boyfriend jeans because we're at home. We want to be comfortable. We want things to be soft. We want to be able to move and get on the ground with our kids. Like, keep it simple. Keep it really, really comfortable. The looks that I'm looking most forward to is anything with leggings. I'm going to be living in leggings. I will link down below a few of my favorite leggings, some that are long enough, thick enough, opaque enough. I don't want to be seeing my undies. The general rule when you're wearing leggings is to go a little bit more baggy on top. If you are tighter on bottom, go looser on top, or the opposite. If you are tighter on top, go looser on bottom. I also like to cover my booty when I am wearing leggings, especially if I am going out and about. I just feel a little bit exposed if my bum is all out for the world to see in tight leggings. Now at home, that may not always be the case, but if you're gonna be running out, just kind of make sure your bum is covered. One way that I like to wear leggings is with a t-shirt and then a baggier kind of jacket or sweater on over it. In this case, I have this corduroy jacket. It's from Zara. I love it. It's so soft where it feels as comfortable as a hoodie, but it's a little bit more polished. Another go-to way to wear leggings, which we all do, is just a big, comfortable sweater on over it. Depending on the sweater, I may also do a little French tuck in the front just to give a little bit more definition to my waist. You better believe that I have not forgotten pajamas. There are some days where we just can't be bothered. I don't want to button anything, and you know what? We're human, and that is okay. But here's my tip for wearing pajamas. Keep it polished. Don't wear your wide leg flannel pajamas from 3 Christmases ago with an old, ratty, oversized mismatched sweater. Like, not the best option. Look for something in sets. Now, I got this from Nordstrom Rack. It is the most comfortable pair of pajamas that I own. It was not expensive. And let's say I have to run out to the store, I could throw on my camel colored coat over this, and I just might fool people into thinking that I'm wearing actual clothes. While we are stuck at home over the next who knows how long, I hope that these tips will help you feel a little bit more put together and polished as we go about doing whatever we do at home. Whatever it is. It's just a whole lot better than rolling out of bed and wearing pajamas all day. It'll help you feel a little bit more you and a little bit more just stable in this time. If you want to send me suggestions of what you'd like to hear, please do. Either comment down below or find me on my Instagram at Casey Matheny Style and send them there. I am eager to hear what you guys want me to be talking about. And I will see you soon.